Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Nenye. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and please do subscribe. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber who loves to create content on food, lifestyle, stories and vlog. So today's video is going to be an Owambe video, like it's a wedding video. So you guys should stay tuned again because this is a family wedding. Like it's a family wedding. It's happening in my family. And as I told you guys earlier before, in my family, we are very fun, crazy set of people. So today you guys are going to see another part of us you guys have not seen, and some of our cousins as well. So I'm here getting ready for this wedding, and because Ogadikwegu, hey man, it's not easy. It's not easy. Wedding everywhere. So you guys should sit back, relax, and I will be right back. Let me finish my makeup, okay? So guys, I went back to the era of this bendy rollers. You could remember back then, I think 5 years ago, this was what was raining then. So I went back to it. Yeah, hope you guys are loving my makeup. Owambe on the way.
I'm feeling extra beautiful today. Can you guys tell? Can you tell that I'm feeling extra beautiful today? See me, NJ, I have necklace on, I have earring on, I have hair on. I'm not, my hair is not in the bun as usual. As in, the only thing that is spoiling this whole thing is this boo-boo I'm wearing. But it's a boo-boo by installed by Felicia. Yes, it's a fancy boo-boo she made for me. So I don't think I look that bad for a wedding. I would have put on something else, but then I've packed out all my things from Nenye. Like I don't have all, like I packed in stages or whatever. I don't know how to put it. And the bag where all my dresses are and all those things, they are in Oka now. And I came to Nenye with the idea, like, that my dress is at the tailor's now. It's going to be ready. I'm going to put on my dress.
Okay.
Well, yeah, this happened.
Just as in disappointments everywhere.
Yeah,
Our tailor disappointed us, and yeah. Thank God for this. So thank God for this, because if not, I don't even know what to wear. But it's fine.
So yeah, right now we're heading to church. I'm so excited.
More than the bride, isn't it?
I'm just too happy. You guys don't even understand. I'm so happy. So happy for Somto, my brother, my cousin. I want the best for her. He married a really wonderful,
fine. You didn't put that word, fine, pretty girl.
Beautiful. People will see now, and she's so kind. She's nice. She's just. I pray that they continue to love each other. They continue to live in love,
peace and harmony.
Peace, harmony. They're great for each other. Seriously, they just complement each other, and I'm really happy for both of them.
Yeah. So you guys can sit back and
relax and enjoy this vlog because it's going to be a fun vlog.
This is not your real voice. Abba. Alright guys, so we're heading over to the church and
see you guys.
Hi!
Hey, we're done from church!
Of matrimony. He said, I do. My apologies, sir. We don't underestimate the power of a woman. I put it to you that women are stronger than men. True or the wife of a professor of education. I want to announce the entrance of the first lady of the Akasi Group of Companies. The king of the queen of the world, we are here for. I'm going to approach. Let's continue with the journey. Let's continue with the journey. Let's continue with the journey. Thank you. Thank you. As we are still at the man by present, we continue to please us on the ground. Thank you, DJ. May I invite yes, you pay for the Korota video. Have you? I will enter inside the boot.
Got a you waiting for a bullet. Go this big party, come find by a bullet. I went there with my best friend, bullet. Cool it, there with the girlfriend, she lit. Get no girls every night, I can see fit. So many pretty girls, they inside my mood. I just the one that say we ever see it. Everything yeah, man, everything there. Oh shit, I get benefits, let's take off from away. Don't you boys that they like to me. Almost see go away. We just having fun. We want party and oh, no, yeah, yeah. Oh, no. I don't know what I say, I look for. And if you wanna say hello, I will say hello. I don't go, I don't go, I don't go. When I call you, baby,